everyone. Good noon. How are you?
Good.
How are you? Fine.
Fine.
Thank you. Now, today I'm discussing about uh, how to you can make an affirmative sentence to negative one. Today I'm discuss about some rule how you can make an affirmative sentence to a negative. For this, there are some keyword. For this, there are some keyword. When you uh, can be able to remember the keyword and change the keyword, it can be possible for you to make it affirmative to negative. There are some kind of rules for that. When in an affirmative sentence there appear only or alone, for a person you have to use non-verb, or for a thing you have to use nothing verb, or for something which is related to number and age you have to use not more than or not less than. When I say about Allah can help us, Riyaz, what is the answer of that? When I say only Allah can help us,
None but Allah can help us.
what is again? Again, none but
Allah can help us.
Allah can help us. Thank you. And when it is said that, when in some sentence it came must. What? Must.
Must.
When I say I must do the work, I must do the work, I must do the work. When such kind of thing will come or appear in your script, then you have to use for must. For must, I must do the work. For this thing, you have to use I cannot but do the work, অথবা I cannot help do the work. Now in money, when there is used must, I must do the work. What is the negative from it?
I must can't but do the work.
I cannot but do the work. Thank you. Clap for him. Clap for her. Okay, thank you. Now there is another sentence when I use every in a sentence. When I use every in a sentence, there you have to use there is no but. There is no but. If I say there is, if I say every mother loves her child, every mother loves her child, I have to use there are no mother but loves her child. There is no mother but loves her child. When I use as soon as in a sentence, when I use as soon as in a sentence, I have to use when no sooner had, I have to use no sooner had, and I have to use some before then for the comma, when I use as soon as I reach the station, as soon as what it is, as soon as I reach the station, then the train left. When I use as soon as I came there, and he had gone from the place. For that I have to use no sooner had I reached there, and he had gone from the place. When I use as soon as you have to use no sooner had and then. When in a sentence I used always. When in a sentence I used always. For the always you have to use never. Always, what do you have to use? Azmul, what do you have to use? Never. What do you have to use? Never. If I said he always speak the truth, he always speak the truth. Everyone, what is the answer of it? He never speak the lie. Speak lie. He never speak lie. He never speak lies. So it is the sentence when I use such kind of sentence. A group work for you. Here are you and you, or Riyaz, Noel Moni, and Jenny in a group, and you three are in a group. So I said we always remember you. I said you always remember you. What is the negative of it?
I said you always
Remember you. Remember, what is the remember? Negative is forgot. So what we have to make it? You are three group. Discuss with